Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Tekko Trio Foam is a pressurized solution that features 3 active ingredients in a dry foam formulation. This product contains 3 insect growth regulators, or IGRs, Hydroprene, Pyriproxyfen, and Novaluron. Hydroprene and Pyriproxyfen are juvenile hormone analogs that will prevent young pests from developing into reproductive adults, while Novaluron is a chitin synthesis inhibitor which will prevent affected pests from forming an exoskeleton, killing them. The dry foam will expand in spaces where the product is applied in, reducing the chances of missed spots and ensuring complete coverage of an area. Combined together, Tekko Trio Foam's active ingredients control the development of a wide range of insect populations like cockroaches, bed bugs, drain flies, and stored product pests. Tekko Trio Foam is labeled for indoor use only. Additionally, this product comes pre-mixed in an aerosol can with fixed concentrations of its active ingredients. While this is great for ease of use, these factors limit the product to narrower application cases. For a product with more user control, check out Tekko Pro. Tekko Pro is an IGR product similar to Tekko Trio Foam, however, Tekko Pro can be used outdoors and it comes as a liquid concentrate. Mix this product with water and an insecticide concentrate to create one spray mix that can be used to kill adult pests and prevent infestations in a wider variety of applications. If you're looking for one product that will kill and disrupt pest life cycles, then consider using Novacide. Novacide is an aerosol insecticide that will kill pests with contact and leave a protective residual that will last for up to 7 months. Novacide is labeled to control the populations of many of the pests that Tekko Trio Foam is labeled for. It will kill adult pests that come in contact with the product or its residual barrier, as well as preventing immature pests from developing into reproductive adults, ensuring you'll see results now and throughout the next several months. Before using Tekko Trio Foam, we recommend you wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep children and pets away from the treated areas until the product runs dry. Tekko Trio Foam comes ready to use as a pressurized aerosol and requires no additional parts or mixing. Simply adjust the can's actuator to accommodate either a surface or spot application, or a crack and crevice application, and shake the can well. For surface or spot treatments, make sure the injection tube points down and clips into the actuator so that the broad spray orifice correctly points out. For crack and crevice treatments, unclip and lift the tube so it then points outward. Be sure to read the product's label printed on the can for specific directions regarding different applications. Tekko Trio Foam can be applied as a surface, spot, or crack and crevice application in residential and commercial properties, including establishments where food is handled, provided that all food is covered or removed. As a surface or spot application, clip the injection tube down into the actuator. Hold the can about 10 to 12 inches away from your target, and spray while making sweeping motions to treat areas for complete coverage. Apply this product at a rate of 15 ounces per 1,125 square feet of treatment area. Tekko Trio Foam may be used on carpets, furniture, pet sleeping areas, and throw rugs. For crack and crevice treatments, place the injector tube into cracks, crevices, or other small voids where you suspect pest activity and spray. The dry foam will expand, allowing penetration into deep cracks and crevices to reach infestations that are not observed. When treating for bed bugs, apply where the pests may be harboring. Do not apply Tekko Trio Foam directly to the mattress or any linens. If you are experiencing a heavy infestation, you may reapply this product 14 days after the initial treatment. Tekko Trio Foam will break the life cycle of labeled pests, preventing future generations from reinfesting treated areas. Under normal conditions, this product prevents reinfestation by cockroaches for up to 6 months, so we recommend you apply this product twice a year for year-round control. Tekko Trio Foam is an IGR product that contains no active ingredients that directly kill pests. This product only prevents labeled pests from developing into reproductive adults. If you're using Tekko Trio Foam on its own, it may take several weeks to see a noticeable reduction in pest activity, depending on your targeted pest's life cycle. For quicker elimination, we recommend you pair this product with an insecticide like Flex 1010, so you can kill adult pests and prevent new ones from being born. Shop for Tekko Trio Foam on our website or stop by any solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.